Well, welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It is time now for Legally Speaking with attorney Carol Thomas. We appreciate you joining us this morning, always learning new things about this. Today we are talking about elder law, estate planning, and trusts, and you have some seminars coming up. Tell us about those.
Yes, thank you, Christine. Yes, I'm very excited when I have seminars. My next seminars are actually next week, Wednesday, in Saginaw, but unfortunately they are filled to capacity. They filled up last week.
Well, good thing, actually.
Yes, it's a wonderful thing. The message is out there.
Yeah.
Please learn everything you need to do about this topic. But I did want to say that I do have my next seminars will be in September in Bay City on September 4th. And I'd like to encourage people, it's really not too early to schedule to come to that seminar, because I know that will fill to capacity also.
So
I really
important.
encourage it.
For sure. Now, what is a topic, that you want your message today for people?
Well, it's interesting, Christine. I like to go on these Facebook sites, Ask Saginaw, Ask Midland, Ask all the cities, and I saw a question the other day that said, where do I get a living will? And I found that very interesting, because Michigan does not recognize living wills, but so many people think we do, because 47 states do. And a living will is a document where you say, if I'm in the hospital, I want this, I don't want that, I want this. That isn't recognized, but we have a wonderful document. It's a medical power of attorney, where you name who will make the decision for you if you're not able to communicate with the physician.
So is that the same thing that will do the same, have the same effects and impacts?
The same effect as far as you're naming who will make the decision, but you're not saying ahead of time, I'll only be on a ventilator for 5 days, or I don't want this. It's not specific like a living will might be.
Well, when we talk about this, what else is important to consider when making medical decisions?
I think it's very important to name someone that can actually make the decision for you. Something, Christine, that actually happens in my office a lot, just for me to point out the importance of talking to your loved one. I'll have a mom, and she'll say to her son, no matter what, I don't want life support. And the son will say, you're right, Mom, no life support. Then I ask Mom, what about for 2 days if you'll live 10 years? Oh yeah, then I want life support. Well, she's just said to her son, no life support. So you see, it can get very complicated. And I think less is more. Just choose a loved one that you trust to make the right decision at that point. And I had a physician tell me once that he told his family, if you don't know what to do, just do for me what you'd want me to do for you in the same circumstance.
Oh, wow.
And I think you can't go wrong if you look at it that way.
No, that's great advice. And so it sounds like, as we mentioned, medical power of attorney is extremely important. Are there other powers of attorney that are necessary?
Absolutely. Another one that I love is the financial power of attorney. And notice they're both called powers of attorney. The term attorney means that you're naming someone to represent you. So we've been talking about someone making medical decisions. Well, the financial power of attorney is extremely important. It's sometimes called the durable power of attorney, but the financial power of attorney allows someone to handle your finances if you're incapacitated. And Christine, that is our key. If someone goes into a nursing home, to be able to protect their assets. And that's what we specialize in my office, that we don't want to lose life savings to the high cost of nursing homes, which some are now $15,000 a month.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Wow.
Yeah.
A lot of families dealing with so much, trying to juggle it all.
Yes.
Is there anything else you want to add today?
Well, I just wanted to say that I really encourage people to consider signing up for the seminar in September, just because we've had a lot of disappointment in phone calls recently by people saying, but I really want to come in May, and we can just only handle so many. So if someone is thinking of coming, and Christine, I've done these seminars for 27 years, and they always fill to capacity. So I'm very grateful to the community.
It's wonderful to see so many people planning. As we say, it is so important.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being here. And if you want some more information, just go to the hot link section right at the top of our homepage at WNEM.com. All the links you need are in there. Thanks so much for being here.
Oh, thank you.